naming your live sets on your CK keyboards isn't exactly the easiest thing in the world. You have to click on settings and go into name and you know, dial in different letters and stuff like that. It's kind of painful. I just wanted to show you we have a little rename functionality in our CK tool. You just go here, you click rename. It asks your CK for what the current name is. You can type a new name. My fave live set, and then just click save. It sends that down to your CK, and then all you have to do is save that sound out to either its existing slot or a new set. So, anyways, really easy to rename a patch. You know, we can call it something else. Something else. Anyways, that's it. Hope you find that useful, and let us know what you think. Thanks.